continuing the mashed potato makeover. You last saw me make them take these mashed potatoes and that spelt and turn it into tortillas. This time I'm making tortilla strips. Thank you, MEL'S Simple Meals. Links in the show notes to her. She's the one that gave me this idea. I'm starting off with 1 tortilla, flatbread or wrap, making it about that thick. Into a bowl it goes with melted coconut oil. I went with the unscented and I melted that in a heat-proof dish in my air fryer. A little kosher salt to coat it and into the air fryer, 380F, about 193C I think is what it is. Out of the air fryer, and look at them, they are beautiful, though I did over toast some of them. Look at this one, it's just a little bit too toasty, but the other ones came out pretty good. Up next, I'm going to do Hungarian paprika, that's for you, Mel, and kosher salt. Out of the air fryer, 3 minutes. So it's quick, 3 minutes, and I did shake somewhere along about halfway through just to check them because I don't want them to burn. I really, really love the way this one came out. Super delicious. 2 more wraps to go. Now I'm going to get fancy. I'm going to use my grandma's rolling one. Look at that ridges. They're so great. And look how pretty they came out. Super, super pretty. More coconut oil going in my bowl. Giving it a mix. And I'm going to use jalapeno dust this time. So just straight up jalapeno dust and salt. I love jalapeno. Anytime I see jalapeno, I have to buy it. So why not just make my own? Out of the air fryer again, 3 minutes. And the last one is going to be ground coriander and ground cumin. And kosher salt. So I want to try that combination. There is a little paprika in my bowl left. That's okay. I'm not going to get a new bowl, but I am going to mix it up. Oh, one jumped out. Back in the bowl it goes, and this will go in the air fryer. For this one though, I really wanted to make sure and taste it as I went because I really wanted a lot of cumin and coriander. I wanted to get hit over the head with it. That's pretty good. I really like the way that came out, but I just want to kick it up a little bit more. Because like I said, I want a lot of flavor in this one. One more taste. Hot dog. That one goes in the air fryer. Taking them out a little bit early seems to really help. Putting them on that cooling rack, and they just crisp up a little bit more after they come out. I find this works better than over baking them in the air fryer. These salt ones, I really like how simple they are, and they'll be great in a dip. So the dip will have a lot of flavor, but I like that the crisp is going to be plain by itself. The Hungarian paprika, well, you know, I'm Hungarian, so I really like that one too. Super, super yummy. And the cayenne, not the cayenne, the jalapeno, I was a little disappointed with the jalapeno one, which I thought I would like the most, and I didn't. It didn't have enough flavor for me. And then lastly, we have the cumin and the coriander. A lot of seasoning went on that one, and it really did need it. It had such a good punch. And that is all for me, guys. I am Ivy the Happy Whisk. Thank you so much to Mel for coming up with this idea. I absolutely loved it. Super great idea, super great snack. Go over, check out MEL'S Simple Meals. I'm Ivy the Happy Whisk. Over and out.